Okay, in this video we are going to be talking about a fur windscreen for the GoPro Hero 5. I've already done the drilling out for the microphones, one on top and one on the side here. I had it on the car and it was a windy day, and immediately while driving all the camera did was pick up wind noise. So I did a little bit of searching and I found that you can purchase a Movo WS2 furry outdoor microphone windscreen on Amazon. The light gray is $9.95, the dark gray $17.95. Not sure why the price difference. Light gray will do. Comes in a box like this. It's in a plastic sleeve, and when you pull it out of the box, it looks like this. Yeah, so not exactly the best thing to look at, especially if you have the GoPro on the outside of a vehicle or a chest mount or a motorcycle, but wind noise is a problem when you're doing outdoor activities. So it does come with a nylon lining and one opening for the microphone. What I did was I turned it inside out, and I put the GoPro inside of it, and I actually marked out where the lens was going to be. As you can see, the marker line there. So I then cut the square out for the Hero 5 lens, trimmed the fur around here so that it did not get in the way of the lens when being affected by the wind or just being outdoors blowing around. Some light stitching on the inside to hold the lining from coming apart, and it goes on the GoPro very snug if you put it on the camera. And it fits like so. So then you're ready to put it on a mount, mount it to whatever you need to. Here's the opening. You can see the elastic holds onto the skeleton case snug. Shouldn't be a problem. Access for your whatever mount you're going to be using. Yes, it doesn't give you access to the buttons or the display, but like for my purposes, I have it on the outside of a car, so I know that the record button is right about here. I press it, I hear the beeps, and I'm on my way. So as you can see, a windscreen or a fur muff for the GoPro Hero 5. I will also be putting up a video of before, or should I say without, the windscreen and with the windscreen. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. For more videos and the follow-up video to this on the car, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.